If you use multiple Google account and want to set a Google account as the default Google account in your computer, then what you do is go ahead and open any web browser and then open this website google.com. Now click on this profile icon here and click on show more accounts. So right now I have 3 Google accounts that I'm using. So what I will do at first is click on this option sign out of all accounts. So once I have signed out of all the account, what I will do is I will open a new tab and then I will again open this website google.com. Now I will at first sign with that Google account which I want to make it as a default. So click on sign in, and if I want to use this one as the default Google account, I will click on it and I will enter the password. Again I will click on this profile icon, click on show more accounts and then sign into another Google account. Next, enter the password. Next, similarly in this way I will go on adding other Google accounts. So once I have added the Google accounts, I will click on this profile icon and click on this option show more account. Now you can see that Google account which I signed at first, that will be my default Google account.